Hello friends, in last video we have studied about series combination of cells. Now we are going to discuss about parallel combination of cell. Take two cells of different EMF and different internal resistance which are connected in parallel to a external resistor capital R. Now current due to first cell is I1, current due to second cell is I2. Current in external resistor is capital I. Current in external resistor capital I will sum of current due to each cell. So I equal to I1 plus I2. Current in external resistor will sum of current due to each cell. I equal to I1 plus I2. Electric potential between point A and B is V, which is terminal voltage of both cells. V equal to E1 minus I1 R1. So current I1 equal to E1 minus V upon R1. For second cell, V equal to E2 minus I2 R2 or I2 equal to E2 minus V upon R2. By putting values of both current in first equation, I equal to E minus V upon R1 plus E2 minus V upon R2. We may write this one as form of second highlighted form. Take all terms of EMF at a place and terms of terminal voltage V at a place. Take R1 R2 LCM in first term, then I equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 R2 minus V R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. Now we have to get term V equal to E minus IR or terminal voltage equal to EMF minus potential drop on internal resistance. If we send V R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 in left hand side, I in right hand side, then R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 at right hand side, then by solving you will get this term. Take equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance of both cells as E equivalent and small r equivalent. Then cell equation V equal to E equivalent minus I R equivalent. If we compare both equations, then you will get equivalent EMF and equivalent internal resistance. Equivalent EMF E equivalent equal to E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 and equivalent resistance R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. This term is same as 1 upon R equivalent equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, which is equivalent resistance of parallel combination of resistor. Okay, thank you.